Hey guys, so a little while ago I made this video that said I was locked out, I had never been banned, and every time I looked up a tutorial on how to get unbanned, they all told me to go to Snapchat and press this, unlock my account, and that wasn't working. So I'm going to give you the real fix because a lot of people are still having problems with this. They keep commenting and they're like, did you find a way to fix it? And I did. So you do go here, you do unlock your account, but don't try to log in. Delete Snapchat on your phone, restart your phone, go to your settings, press general, go to date and time. You'll see a little box that says set automatically, and that should be green. So press that button, make it gray, and then change the date to April 5th. This is after you've restarted your phone. Re-download your Snapchat, log in. You should be logged in. You might not be able to send snaps. So once you actually have your account, you can go and you can change the date back. All you got to do is press set automatically, make that green again. And for me, that worked. That got my account back. Now for some of you, you might just have to unlock your account. But for those of you who have been watching all these tutorials who say, hey, unlock your account, you should get it back, and it's not working, that date and time trick should work. It worked for me. I've had a few of my friends actually get this glitch where it's like, hey, you know, it's locking me out of my Snapchat. If it worked for you, I would appreciate it if you dropped a like, maybe subscribed. If you don't want to do that, it's fine. I'm just some guy making a tutorial on how to get your Snapchat back. So anyways, I hope you got your account back, and yeah, peace.